Hi everyone, I am an employee of DTD Auto's Media Center. From the new version Motoscan Tab 2.0, will support many new vehicles, new functions for tuning ECM, by remap code method. Smart key programming for new vehicles, ODO calibration for new vehicles until 2021, and new utilities by the strength of media display technology. One of the functions and utilities is to turn Motoscan Tab into a DC voltage meter and electrical pulse measuring tool, displaying a large, accurate, and intuitive display. Yes, we will show an example in voltage measurement function right now. As you all know, in today's modern electronic control circuit testing and measurement techniques mainly measure voltage and electrical impulses. Accurate voltage measurement, making fault diagnosis faster and more efficient. Example: I have a faulty Honda SCR 110. I need to test the voltage at the ECM pins. So, now I use the DC measurement function to test some ECM pins. On the screen of the Motoscan tab, we select the DC voltage and pulse measuring tool. Require: use a voltage measuring cable, connect red clamp with voltage test point, connect black clamp with battery negative, or equivalent points. DC voltage measuring range: 0 volt to 20 volt. Notes: in this version, the high voltage measurement is still not supported. Absolutely do not measure voltage higher than 20 volt, which may cause unsafety for the device. Now, we will proceed to measure the voltage of each pin according to this checking table. The power supply for the Motoscan tab box is the motorbike 12-volt battery. Use the red rod to start checking in turn according to the ECM pinouts and compare it with the checklist. First is the IGP, which is the positive power supply for the ECM. Turn off the ignition key. The meter shows 0 volt. Turn on the ignition key. Turn on the meter to show the power supply voltage. So, it concludes that the ECM's IGP pin works satisfactorily. Similarly, next check pin 6 of ECM as VCC. The black clamp connected to the SG pin is the sensor's common negative. Turn off the ignition key. The meter shows 0 volt. Turn on the ignition key. The meter shows 5 volt. In conclusion, the ECM's VCC pin works satisfactorily. Next, pin number 5 of ECM is the TP input signal. Throttle closed. Voltage show as 0.6 volt. Slowly pull the throttle until the throttle fully opens. The voltage gradually increases up to 4.4 volt. Thus, the voltage is in the standard range from 0.29 volt to 4.76 volt. So, the conclusion that the TP signal of the ECM works satisfactorily. With other pins of the ECM, you can use the voltage and slow pulse measurement function to test. Then compare with the checklist table, and draw conclusions. Yes, so you have seen a new utility in the measuring toolkit that has been integrated into the Motoscan Tab 2.0. You can use this function in other measurement cases on the vehicle to diagnose and repair. I wish you success with DTD Auto's products. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye and see you in the next videos. If you find the video interesting and meaningful, please click like, subscribe, and share with everyone. Thank you.